to this 893 placeholder table in this mind map. So you can see. So I have a link from here. Go to this placeholder. So if you open this placeholder, you can see. And if you open the chart. Here, the 885 is also linked to the placeholder. So these two is just ensures when you go through this mind map, you have understand this relationship from this two usage to the placeholder concept. So let's focus on this one. So as we mentioned, this same as this placeholder chart, the default slide master in PowerPoint doesn't have this placeholder for table, but we had built our test file. So this test PPT, I can copy this to 8.9 so that we don't need to use the absolute value to pass to load this file. And within this file, the number page 3 or the index 2, I had our placeholder chart. On page the number 3, index 3 or page 4, I added our placeholder table. Let's try to use that to test the placeholder tables concept. So let me create our 893 placeholder table. That's is quite similar to what we did on the placeholder chart. So from PPTX import presentation, and from PPTX enum shapes import pp placeholder type. So now is the placeholder type is table, not chart. So PPT equal to presentation, and we are not create new. Well, we will load test PPTX. So then we will save to 893.pptx. Let's do this. So we create this one, and let's verify what's this contents. So it's empty as we create. If you want to know how to create this placeholder templates, you come back to this 885. The two videos before. In that video, I create this PPTX file within PowerPoint. This is not created by our code, but if you can view slide master, you can see here. This number 3 is a chart placeholder. Number 4 is our table. So I should be able to use this placeholder table in index 3. So let's starting to have that. So when you're familiar your templates or the slide master, you can use this. So here you can see it's not 1. I should use that 3. So let's do the testing, then we can have a look. So slides add slide ppt dot slide layouts 3. So let's run and open. I should have our placeholder table page new created. So let me show you. So you can see, click icon to add a table. So this one is a placeholder table. Then let's continue. So same as the placeholder chart is for placeholder as the variable in slide placeholders. Because on this templates page, you have one header or called title. Another is the placeholder table. So phf equal to placeholder dot placeholder format. Yeah. if you print this PHF, then you will get 2 placeholder. So we already know that in this placeholder chart code, so we don't need to type that. So we check the type. If this type is not equal to placeholder type table, now we will skip. So continue. If it is, then this we will have this graphic frame. So as I mentioned, this I prefer to use a table frame. Even the type is a graphic frame. Just I want this to give some hint to the people who read this. But actually, in the behind the type, it is the placeholder, the graphic, the frame. So just the two the variables or 2 arguments you want to give is a row. So just to ensure is we give our some difference. So like give is 10 rows and the column is 5 columns. Then that's it. So you create our the tables. So let's see. So if I open this, that is what you have just now. And the good thing is you don't need this the top left with height. So those are already defined on this templates page placeholder, this element. So that is better than you just insert our new table in the blank page. So I hope is you can try this yourself, and then to familiar this tool usage of the placeholder, customize your master slide master, and save this similar file like my test.pptx for your own usage. And then that is the thing is you can use some more the customized placeholder. In the next video, I would like to talk about more about the object. So we may try to see the table object and the column row object, and then move to the cells. Thank you for your watching. See you later.